Come on board and join us for an exciting adventure exploring this epic cruise ship. So this is always my favorite part of the trip because we know vacation has officially started. Walking on the gangway, Royal Caribbean, Odyssey of the Seas. Welcome back to our channel. We just float. All right. Thank you. So we're on board the Odyssey of the Seas, and check-in was very smooth. People are now going to their muster stations. Each floor looks very similar. Again, it does not feel like a cruise ship. It feels more like a hotel with the high ceilings, the wide corridors. This is a hallway, wide corridor. This is a beautiful sculpture that spans all of the floors, all the way up. Absolutely beautiful. This is such a beautiful space. It really doesn't feel like a cruise ship. It feels more like a convention center or a hotel. The main dining area is absolutely beautiful with these interactive floral prints. Absolutely lovely. These looks like they're getting prepared for the first meal, the first dinner meal of the day. Very nice. Spaces are nice and large. This is back to the main thoroughfare. I don't know. Wow, I wonder how many pictures have been taken in that chair. This is the Wonderland Imaginative Cuisine. Great decor. Loving this entrance. Very nice, a unique menu in your Alice in Wonderland. Love the teacups at the top. Also on this end of the ship, you'll find the library that has books and board games. This is the cafe at 270. They do have sandwiches and soup and salads. These are open for lunch at various hours. Salads are pre-made. You share what it is that you want. They have the cutlery here. Looks like there's beef brisket sandwich. Here they can do wraps and your soup. And these are the paninis. And then you can come over to the pastries and espresso for your sweet treat or a nice coffee. And just outside this area is where you can meet with a travel agent for your next cruise at considerable discounts. Breakfast and lunch. The cafe at 270. Here, you can't have a cruise without bingo. And this is the space that they're using.
Number out is...
Bingo has ended and they are preparing for the highly recommended production called The Book. To get a reservation for The Book, you can also see other shows on this ship in the main theater. And now back to the main area of the ship, which was decorated for the holidays. Downstairs there is the casino, and on this main strip you will find other places to eat, as well as bars and dance clubs.
So you have Cafe, Promenade, and also the pizza, which is just as popular late night as it is during the day. You have enough seating to accommodate a large group. And let's see what the pizza looks like. Vegetarian pizza, cheese pizza. This is a lovely area for Giovanni's Italian restaurant, which is at cost. They do have some jewelry stores up here, as well as the art gallery. It's not quite dinner time yet. Giovanni's Italian Kitchen and Wine Bar. Very nice. Nice shot overlooking the dining room. So this is the sports bar area. Nice bar, table, pool. Large screens. Nicely appointed bar. So this is the C-Plex. We have the sports bar area, and down here they're getting things converted and ready for family bumper cars. There's other arcade type games in this space. Sports bars upstairs. And also they turn this floor into a tournament for volleyball and basketball.
Rock, paper, scissors to decide the procession. Rock, paper, scissors to decide the procession.
It's movie night tonight, and there are still some people in the swimming pool, which is heated, and of course there's always folks at the bar. A little competitive volleyball game here. On the top top deck, you can enjoy amazing views 300 feet up on the North Star observation capsule. It is free when you're in port, but there is a fee for the extended experience when you're at sea. If getting your adrenaline pumping is for you, then you should try climbing the rock wall, defying gravity in the iFly skydiving tube, or even trying your best to ride the waves on the FlowRider surf simulator. The Odyssey of the Seas is a beautiful ship with so many exciting activities for couples and families. As you can see, there are so many hidden nooks and things to do on this ship. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already done so, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We've also attached our playlist that includes our balcony room and other tidbits from this cruise. Enjoy!